WRAL Meteorology. I'm your chief meteorologist. I'm out here in Autryville, North Carolina, and conditions are starting to really pick up. I've been out here for 5 minutes and the winds have been picking up severely. The rain is starting to come down. In just under an hour, we've had 1.5 inches of rain, folks, and it's been predicted to be more and more. The winds are really starting to be tropical force, and I won't be surprised if we get some hurricane force winds. As we can see over here, we already have a basketball goal toppled over. Numerous limbs are being flown around the yard. I'm here at the plant residence. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
May I have your name?
Oh, yes, it's Carol Ann Plant.
Yes, what do you think about the upcoming storm?
Well,
Come a little closer.
I'm prepared for it. Thank you very much. I'm prepared.
You are? Do you have
Yes.
insurance on your house?
Yes, I do.
Flood insurance?
No flood.
Well, you better want to get on your phone right now. This just in.
Thank you.
More information from the WRAL News Center in Raleigh. Tornadoes headed this way. Please, residents, stay inside your homes. It may be calm for a few minutes after the rain, but do not. Sorry, folks, I'm having a hard time standing up as the winds are picking up. Like I was saying about tornadoes. Please, please stay inside your homes. It may look calm after the rain, but do not underestimate this storm, as tornadoes can show up on the fly, and so can more rain. It is getting very heavy out here, so I'll turn it over to you, Kat, back at the weather station.